In this example, we've been asked to evaluate a couple of exponential functions at particular values in the exponents. So the first one is we have 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 3. Depending on the model of your calculator, you may or may not need to put parentheses around your exponents. To show each person though, I'm going to go ahead and use parentheses around the exponents. It's not going to hurt. For some of you it will be necessary, for some of you it will not. So if I want to perform 2 to the 4 plus 3, I'm going to press 2 and then press my little caret key that's above the division symbol. Okay, on mine you see that it takes me to the exponent. I'm going to go ahead and be safe and do parentheses and then 4 plus 3 and then close my parentheses off so that I make sure the 4 and the 3 both are in the exponent. Press enter and then here I get 128. On this one I've said round each answer to the nearest thousandth where necessary. This one's exact, so we can just say 128. The next one down is special. It's base E. On your calculator there's 2 different ways to do this. I'm going to show you the way that's most useful. Okay, we're going to go and we're going to press second and then divide. If you press second divide, then we can use our exponent button and raise this to any power that we desire. So we're going to use parentheses again and say negative 5.2 and then close your parentheses. Okay, press enter. Okay, we're rounding to the nearest thousandth, so this one would end up equaling 0.006 when you round it. Okay, next problem down is negative 5 to the third. Notice that the negative is not with the 5, meaning it's like negative 1 times 5 to the third. So we don't want to put parentheses around that negative to include it with the 5. It needs to stay in the front. So type it essentially the way it's written, negative 5, and then raised to the third power. On this one you don't need parentheses around your power necessarily. You can go ahead and put them just to be safe. And then press enter. So in this one I get negative 125. And then on the last one, notice that the negative E is in parentheses. And so you want to type it on your calculator exactly as it's written. So parentheses, negative, and then to get the E, you're going to do second, divide, close your parenthesis, and then raise. I'm going to open a parenthesis to the 2.4 power, and then press enter. This ends up being 11.023 when we round to the nearest thousandth.